Urwa kabiri
amaka mingi gose ngamanya ngo kuhinga ebyo kurya no kuhinjireka konka to kumanya ngo no basa kuhinga ohinge nebyo kuguza ebyo kuhema gasente mwene rwa kabiroro ndizaka batwine muyambi aro kutwegesa hakukanyise mondi hamwe no kuzaze mondi
n'ikintu cyo kutandika ukamanza wa hayamani gawe kwisi yayehireyo zeni waiza ko hayamani gawe ahanyuma y'imyaka waiza kusharura ukashanga wagira mu business icyakashatu n'ikintu cyo kutandika kikakubisaho kikalisa family yawe ni wowe nka food security ukashanga wagirwanisa wazace mondi tihine kindi kihingwa kunu itwe nka kabale ekiri kugoba nke mondi ngwe nani intera enduru kugira ngo ubundi utakahinjire mondi nicyenda nazo zirozeho uhinge mondi abo kwa wahinge shawemwe umwe n'umwe average hati nitunge nshaho umushanje
wabo ryo ko kwenda kuza business yo kuzaza no kukanyise mondi iwe cyo yine kora rebeka program major wa kabiroru shahina zeciro buzumazuma tiyakufera
Odia TV West na kwachiro makuru agacenshire amazina Mbabazi Charity Kanderizoba norwa kabiri ebiro 30 ebyo kwa mkaga 2026 kandesha hanebiri ezo mwebaziyo ninja kwisia hebija mtugo makuru kandi kundagarce nija kwisia makuru agacenshire umbwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Omugachenchire chireci koto muri chenjojo esintire munano muchome ahabwe mshango yo kuyiba matungo.
This time police yarugire.
Mutwera abashuma batunyangarize abaturana bacuro muri Chibani Mugongwe umuricegegwa.
Nokorana batwara.
Oraferwe noha reba muheruye ntaroze byo butejecho mu rushenye
barebe ngo ubushenyi dushemire kuferwa bwabo emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love.
Mbabazi Charity kandagana makuru agacenshire ombwijire koti yo muramzi wo kubanza he yacenjejo asenshira abashija munana aharimanda ahamshangwe kwaterine no kwiba matungo aharumente nembuzi aba nabo kugaruka mu kote 2015 kwa mshanju umwaka ogu okwehozaho omunyamakuru witu ainebirukira
abarukutekwaho ko babashoma b'amatungo kandi abasindikirwa harumanda niyo n'amajarani Isaac Tumuhayirwe Bare Paulo Katushabe Andrew Habat Kagaba Charles Baranga hamwe na Davis Natukunda aba bashomirwe mishango yabo ermo kwibente hamwe n'embuzi ombicweka bitarukushana kandi omuramuzi Babu Waiswa abamanyise kubaragaruka mu koti 2015 byo kwezi kwa mushanjo bashatu baratandike kwehozaho aha mishango ejo bwa nyuma ya koti tumanyisibwe ngo polisi ya Chenjojo ebire yahereze kwata n'abandi bashuma bashatu kandi kutushikira ha polisi entezi bire zibirwe tuzishangireyo abebembezi bamanyise TV West ngwente ezuru kurengo muri kinana nizo zibirwe ahagati yo kwa kashatu no kwa katano ko mwakogu
abasuma batatahamu abantu baitu babaterroringa mu kubayiba nabayibente nabayibe embuzi nabayibe enkoko nabayibe empunu kandi abantu abo tanto baseruzaho muno cyokusarurwa muno mu kwezi hagati yo kwezi kwa kasibisatu kwa kana no kwa katano mu district yone nsobora kwa tubirwente nka kinana
obusuma bwa magana bubere bweyongere muno mu district yetu ya Chenjojo baitu kini kireterezebwa abasuma kuba nibekwatira hamu kuruga hoyima mpaka kutaha bundi bugyo so be bakozera katolika abo and nka security kirikirungi tukwatanize hamu aba stakeholders bunda abantu abakwawukana twazingiza
aha polisi ya Chenjojo yona tushangireyo motoka eri kuvuga barambuzi ningashe ba tourist batumanyisanga bakajikwata n'abashuma bakutwarira mwente zenye bano
genzera kwetegereza ngo nibakoesha abantu ababyaro byaitu batingira amasimu gabo abasuma abandi babanyingireho kurugamu aba basuma ne barukoleka bali abarugira hoyimu wente ziri mwananka bayije kiro bakuyanira muhiro kuzire samnana mwendi 10 basibente bazinaga matoka
abamu abantu abanyu bunda bakozi banya bamukweta ba managers nibo kusanga nibakwatagana n'abasuma nibamalira abakozi leki nibamalira bayibire amagana gaitu kandi kusaba abantu baita babulikira mbe bulindara muleke kuleka amagana gonka mu kisaka ogena nosanga imbuzi saha 2 saa 3 zekiro imbuzi kyali nkaha zikyali mu kisaka.
This time police yarugireyo tukaikara nabo twatunga meeting ya security tukaikiraneza bosaho kuhabonde omusuma wende police bond no police bond hakubo kuma police bond na agaruka na buranganiza investigations naija na ngera na wenka na abura kandi nabantu abaturukuhereza yitwa nkabebembezi abantu mbatuya mu bwesugwa magamba turukufaho umuntu bamutwererwe bajyo kandi hati kandi kagarukira
emyanya izire kuteganisibwa obushoma bw'amatungo eri mu Rugombe Katoke Bugaki hamwe na Bufunjo amakuru agasha kwa Daniel Bingana
webere Daniel Bingana abaturo kurgaho mcharo echa Chibani omgombore ya Migongwe mu district ya Chegegwa barjire bayiterenduru wanyuma y'abashuma okubanyangaraza abantu bajirangu obushuma bw'amatungo no mwani nibo kwasira hansi na higuru
abaturo kweterenduru kwizero bwanyuma yo kwata abantu 8 banagise embuzi zo mutura mutahi wabo omwanyirwe nkantura nabo kapoti
twina abasuma 8 abaja kuri ha police ya Migongwe station abasuma abana mbere twine Amosen wamanya mbere twine omutabani asa asinguza mugenzo wa kweta Nasani kugira migambo akagadi kiza yorokamu Musa arutanga mutano wa basi kuruka Chegegwa omusai John barkweta Mr. Roger amumpaire
kigama ngo buri muntu yine tungo mu cyaro cya Kibani ayine mbozo zo kutebya abashumaba
alimendunda sangi ibi nakulembusi sangi 3 embusi ibiri zikaba zisayira bazimba bashitwana obunagezi gamba amasi acyo wangalihire yo kafuna
okutunga kantu kawe bakatwara ntama zangi ibiri bataho embuzi zangi ibiri abamwe tushobirwa no kusiga banja tukagenda tine ko kubasa gukora nkarebeka tine ko kugira nokora n'abatwara nyo bakanyi beje kiraro baceza uka ntambo sirakiza kandi kizana uko wanje
oyihira haba amatungo n'abahingi bo mwani nabona gago
abantu banyangarize umwana ugwanje nabaguza muno mwihangwe baza mu bashoroma bihamo bdeya mushanga
nibatwara ukundi kuba nashoromire uko kugira ngo abana nababarya ishomero batariho nagira ngo ukambe ngusigireho bije bagwiheyo mwaziyo nishanga gutacuruho
bakije mwana kwanje nishoroma nintaho nimpakinga ndikwenda bunyecha kare guntambi bija bagushara bashara store bagutwara Chiza Amosi Nasan bagutwara kuba kaza gutwara bagarika mutuze kurondera mufumu ori kuteze njoki kunuya nabarira habiri ukuri habi
nikigambwa ngo ababino obukodyo bwingi obubarukukozesa kandi hoona nibakoreganana n'abafumu
abantu abakuba kuheza kutwiba abashuma abo baheza bije bakweta bagira ngo bakuletera umufumu wo kukwata ibintu byawe niyo mbanda mbuzanje kuzamazire kubura Nasan Amosi yanyeta ngwijore ibintu byawe wabibona wenye namushangaho mu ryo gumwanya namujyanta ibintu byanje kandi wanyetera bira yangira ngo Nasan ni wayi n'abafumu bo kwimbonera muri umunangwa n'imigamba
omurikiko rw'ekyaro rushitamiro mu kyaro kya Kibani bashabere gavumenti okukoma abantu aba kandi ngo batakagaruka no mu cyaro cyabo
omukwezi kumwe bakatwiba emirundi nk'ebiri batwara embuzi batwara ente hato kuhereruka batwire ntama baje baga mazimazima mutuyambe twino obusasi bwingi munonga
nagure ntama yanje najya ntama ubwirira kwa kuzara kangure ntama tobundi kara kwa kunyanga Ona tugusira nawe wenyine hamwe sinu wasubire kujaka jibu nkajigura nawe ndikuza kahungura naza najigura kahungura kamaro muke sande mu yakabirije yagitora
twagezeho kushyirira polisi ahanshongeji konkatine kiyagamba kandi abakwasiro bakikumirwa ha polisi ya Mugongwe amakuraga gasha kwa Philip Murangira
webare Philip Murangira nkomuringo gumweho go kusiobuherezo mbantu enjenderwaho yihanga jete constitution neherezo muntu wa burijo amani go kurondo mwebembezi owari kwenda konka obumwentaro zabebembezi ziretera umuntu wa burijo yarenze ya konka twakuterera torch omuntu arozebyo butegechi ezdio mu district ya Bushenyi
nkoko abanyankore bagira ngo enjozi birekuze kurwana n'obunyasa nubwo bari kubonabona abaturo mu Bushenyisha ka municipality borekeriro kuferwa project ya Usmid ebire neza kutandika kibanza cyo kwezi kwa 8 umwaka ogu okuboneza municipality yabo bwanyuma yaba kansara batanu mu district eji okurugayo bakatwara district omukoti barukakanisa kachi kwa kagabe miromo nakachi kwa kakura ka district okukatorinwe
abantu bororana bakirebera nkoritaro rwa politics ba kansara zina cyama kunkano ritaro rwa baturage bwana bagushima abo ba hate sente za World Bank yo World Bank ne tugera haba ntabaraho umuntu project ne bemeri kusiyo muri yuza watunga 100% kandi sente tuzoro tuzina location ukugira ngo Bushenyi bajya locate ngire nka 20 billion nibarete sente baziteka in one pool bagira ngo municipality na red yijita ndikuye wese.
And I want to appeal people that whatever we are doing, let us not delay this project. Every step you delay, you are delaying. Actually, we are losing out. But we have hopes that this step that we've laid as Bushenyi Shaka, the ministry has promised that it will send an independent team to come and actually do the assessment and the design.
Project ejine ya World Bank kandi ihiriye kuboneza indembo zo no kwetorori hanga kandi Uganda katungo buhumba 5 na bushato bwa dola okuboneza indembo nshanju nibiro mu ihanga.
It is not specific. You can have 50 billion in 5 years if you are serious, because the money is in the pool. So how you're ready to implement is the money that you will get. So if we get ready, then we will get more money, because this project does not want anyone who makes a lot of noise around it. It dislikes noise actually.
Bushenyisha ka municipality ebasa kuyija kurugira maho abo kubaka mumbu kwa kurize bo kutunga ha sentezi note hakwine ba heads of department abahamibwe government kandi Bushenyize yino rukure byo bwegese ningash municipal education officer hamwe no wenkurakurana y'abantu mwete municipal community development officer.
A project may end up kushanga you have substantive heads of departments. No each department must have a person who is substantive, the head, and must be on the table. That is the truth. So as Bushenyi Shaka Municipal Council, we have that challenge of not having those substantive staff who are fully filled. This is because of the delay in the establishment of the service commission.
Konka twataka tungire principal community development office ati twokota tutiko kutegereza paka zirata abiri recruited twina masiko ngo ubundi kuba kozira ngo twataka ko kwa manana baba solving shunga zabo itu hours is just ahubwo twina bastafa gukora na basafa gukora umuti konka yaza gukora umuti natungamira ati ya district service commission
tushangire ngo mu Bushenyi abantu abo kwije imyanya babiri babine kunka kaciko kemiruma kakubire nkabahamya bakansara batanu bakakatwara umukoti barukwagana soka ronzurwe
tekwaba ko tukakora tubakabara kurutera batera district service commission tu twatara kuruta ingero ngo umuntu wita atito kamera start ngo kuchumba cya hata abantu baza kuferwa iyo project ya Usumi which is a very big project iri kubasa kuboneza etawunite kawo ekawaje and it carries a lot of money abo gutunga Bushenyi shaka kamera start ituma location iyo kubaza I think annually every year bashira kwamba batereza over 50 billion so hati ikokota herezo wahizo mwako tazini njumaizo 50 billion za kufera hati nozo mwako gukurata
yokurugera harime ya Richard Byaruhanga project jebire neje kutandukana no kumbika katare ka Bushenyi akarukuza kumaraho buhumbi bunani no bukikuru 500 hamwe nakatare kishaka akarukuza kumaraho buhumbi bushatu no bukikuru rushanju
usumende byo bicoka ine perazi kita pera 1 ne eyo butari abo ko president ejo yakutahamana kugira ngo abantu batungemero kandi batunge tasi so itumura Bushenyi Shaka bakabatira ubutari bundi ukomeye kakatara kishaka na kakatara ka Bushenyi kakatara ka Bushenyi bakaba karuketi ngire 4.5 billion ukomeye akishaka karinga 3.7 billion ukomeye that is almost over 10 billion atezi nchwesa abantu bazafitana kapitali mu July kubwito cannot proceed
hona nawe twamanyisibangwe birembirije kubanza kombekwa harumo street lights na za kamera ebire bishimiriye kutandika 2015 y'ukwezi kwa 8 umwaka ogu
tukateka street lights kurga basajja baraba uruka kizira na hagati yetawo kagamba road then tukagaruka tukahunduza liberation road nayo twona aho street lights zimwe twasiriyo ukatwongera but liberation road ni gumuzamo yarawa umukitoke singuteze kitoke rero twaheza kweza civic center ani yakabirizi uruguto rukorabona yakabirizi kagaruka abarufura uketo ezo zirya freeze wa first year rero kutkurga yezo hati tubatanakuza umunya
bamumbebembezi bagambira hantareze district ejerumu
kansara okweta kansara oshanga ko mu district tune bakansara ngasho tunamuna ninga makumyana abantu abatwate no mu district ko barubingi so abantu bano basharra musho kwenda bajangwa abantu abari heriyo rukigo tubakutenza aba kansara bari mu kanso no bashobora kwanda batenzeza abantu babo kugira ngo babaseho ubuhereze ngo bakabora kuyendeza ibintu yo byenyine nk'abantu
ija kwemera ahubwo kubura bo kugishemba ahubwo kubura abakozi abakorofayingire bakabura babahamya hati to kintu tusasa munonga bakansera abo bakirebe barebe ngo Bushenyi tushemere kuferwa bwabo n'abantu bace tubashemere kufereza abantu abinji
biriho reconciliation abatabiriho okugarukana na no kusasarana abanyabushenyi tine kiturayiremo ahabwo kube sente zagaruka Kampala usimeidate kuzakura
Nathan Kijana obinji barakumanyanga Kijana mano mutuze uri chairman w'intebe yakashatu bwa Central Division yagira ngo project ejukwera areme ngo baraganisa bateza bakarura nibija kuba bitahikera
imawe ndabuja arobohezo kuza kwisha ari ndabuza kushombagira abwenshi wanga sente kazagarukayo tukuza kwata mushoje tuza kore ngo dakwezo program zona zazizira government ngo ekore so kumukutera mutu twabitera mpeka bembezi tubante jigo muntu wahansi mwene bahora kugira ngo hakwayize program ndijo nkejo mu gihagire government agenda misha abo kuba ntuyenda kuhisa obuhereza abantu
nangwa nyowe nyenda kushaba members ba parliament wa Bushenyi nyenda kushaba members ba parliament bona hibari LC5 na Nakao kugira ngo bete kansara zabo abariyo baza abatirumusha nk'umukuti tushitame bahumunayizinge kurango izi sente zitu za Yusumei zitakagaruka yuko tukafirwe ikintu cyangwa
kwa district service commission neza ko kunkubu yaza kubaho ibiyaza kufisiriza abandi. First of all, hatushimye kuba turukuruta ingeri abantu muri Bushenyi district including the municipality binji munonga bakoze abana batwiro kwa street hate sende zizire zirenga mu 1 billion hate government ka sweeping that itwa Bushenyi district kari mukozikoze.
Meya wa Division AG we nagira ngo intaro z'ubutegetsi tuzero kuza kwina za district yonka kurekana zija kwina zo muntu wa burijo wasibira murayina rukutera karuru.
A few councillors, about 5 of them out of 34 bubaje mutubikiriza na cha speaker na chairman bashiramo birukanwa basi mu court birukanwa basi mu public service bahandika complaint yabo iteka nirigera ngo umuntu ya complaining yereka dissatisfaction hatejo process ne yemera
hatko yabiri akacuka ko kubanza omunjenderwa wihanga nehereza mana kachikwa kari kugabemero maharengo rwa district okutora n'abakozi ba government mu district sitting municipality kunka kachikwa ka Bushenyi bwa hatkine bushoborozo bwo ahakubaka katabarizubwa hecero kumanyisango bine koresa kachikwa ka service commission okurwa mu district sezubaherire okuhamya abakozi aba ninga bakaferwa project sezi gasha kwa Michael twachire
webere Michael tumwachira wembozi nonjejo ahandi reka tumereho ntugaruka nagarukurataho.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyo kwemeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mbwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria echo nabyombe chese changale nkabendera ya Uganda mashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke.
Manager ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabataka jiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe nawe yaringe byoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine kanaba murugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira akasheko izuba ryona ombazwa maino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza maino kwiteshikoko cyo maino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel habo mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izoba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo nurse nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo nurse extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itende cyo handiswa mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itende cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukhereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36
Onashikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara kacayina
yabatindati
nogamba ki uriyo pronto kogumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara hero banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta baheze recruitment expert re barariya Amazon building mwijemba twari
tutware
bito nyeri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuza kuza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru erabambara nsangwa Amazon building not mushanjina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubowa opposite na Kwarte supermarket esumu not mushanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not mushanjina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wagendo
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosmo nikangara konkobya mashamera nogwa mutindo rosmo insi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form insi yokushemera kwanje
rose form insi yebiroto birungi
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship: degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Kurkayo mkahumura muganda makuru bakuru b'amarwaro ga government n'abebembezi bago mu district ya Shema beterire nduro mu government bari kugira ngo amarwaro gabo gabuzirema bashaho abari kumara kandi ogwabarwire bari kweyongera bwira bwashesha kandi cyo kucumba zobuhereza burijo.
Okwerarikirira kwibara ry'abashaho omu marwariro ga gavumenti omu district ya Shema bigambirwa izoba ryanyemwe bazyo aha mukoro gwo kwiguraho amaju g'abashaho agombekirwa gavumenti no kugazitara n'ebitimba omu myanya erimu Mushoku Health Center 4, Rugarama Health Center 3, Chihara Health Center 3, Bugonji Health Center 3, Chibanga Health Center 3 na Mabare Health Center 3. Aho bakuru b'amarwariro bagambira bibyo bushoborozi ngo nibakora okusinga endogoyi ekiro n'omushana
gatugure yabashaho bakuraramu
umuri ebyo byona nitukora konka turi yaha staffing ya 28%. Mwene mirimo yishimwe kubona ikorwa abantu igana nikorwa abantu 28 mbenu we burn out nutaraha
challenges zitwine abakozi abutwine nubace because twabye tubatwine abakozi 18 konka azba nawe twine abakozi 10 abashaho kandi aho abashaho 10 babiri nabo gukora hera munana nabo bakora umuntu ko kuyama aba maternity uyama aba PD kuriya atoshaka umurumo uguza stand
omujwekerwa president ahabwa district ya Shema Percy Byarugaba nawe arabwira abashaho bace abaryo mu marwaraga ngo behiyemo omuzego kukoroko mu kasheshe bakasikesha mukaga zihangwe bakaburaho rero abarwire bakabonabona
aro tinkumanya bayizita narrative in charge kugira ngo abantu umwaje tuba kuwa kasho mukasharusha umuyango wejo hirwaro ruganga batarabanazi ushangirwaro ngo batamushamushangi so hatoye buza abantu batoremba tubuza ububire ntugwimbayitinga kugira ngo gume bwijo mukasheshe ninga naba kubisha mwenda ndinde nyenshakari
aba bashabirwe kurekeraho kwereza amakarangera ngo ahabwo kuba government kwekweza kubahe barkwenda batye ibintu babikwatijaga
ibintu bya government bikwatenge bitu Nchwaza na washanga government ya spending asante nyingi ekataho structure nkeji kugira ngo omunansa rukereza ningasha kuzarisa abantu kuragura abantu otaruga kandi ukashanga narashuko mutawuni okwepansiza bakusiya hihi ngo ubona yiwatura ukikabura kimwe kimuka chikwatijaga waza kurugaho toilet washanje nikora tekora amadirisa birahure TV yacirumu
ngwe nenda kuyaningiriza eki zinde cyayitire hanuya kuchikwata ke glass maintenance
kumko mutagambe ushanga ubundi cyaje yaki cyenda kucyumba gizohereza konka mwagabo ibintu biri for instance ka government shanga tuteka abakozi sino twanyegera twashasha kandi twashashura umbwi fencing umwanya ko
aherijere mutuzaguma tushaka yona nebijerachi na nebindi because need tukine mpango
Abo kuba atuwashanga tine toilet ya staff, and the staff are so integral. They are very important for this facility.
Nobwa bashaho bine bizobe byona bitu bamwe bagumira imbera okoranya umushana n'ekiro gasha kwa Mike twacire
mugikoze se
webere Michael atwacira abaturo mu district ya Rubirizi barabwirwe okwihorwanje mivuyo mu program ya parish development model kandi bakakoresa sentezi ebinte byentunguka kubasa kubihomboro.
Abaturo mu district ya Rubirizi barabwiro kwihorwanju nemivuyo om program ya PDM ebi nebindi bugambiro izo baryanyumwe bazyo omukurondeso bukiko nkaka katerera PDM sako ekizero bwanyuma yo wabira cyamano utabarizwa ngunarye nguzi nabwanyuma ababagire no kurondesa akakiko kamuyenga katerera PDM sako na wahabire hariye mivuyo ya mani
orya hakachikwa kenyima oyu no mushango gono kwatere no kurye sente ari kuzagarika hirizo mwachurura araba ino mushango guciryo mukoti ninga guciri ompolisi tinkumanya yugu kugwa guryo ompolisi it is still under investigation
wobo liko question mark kitegeeza bali mukunonyerezaako kitegeeza balina okufinding out wakikola so ekiriwo baba bagala cabinet eki empya
aha muheru tumushabe Servano nuwarangirirwe nka chairman wa Muyenga Katera PDM Sako kandi Nicolas Rwamanya arangirirwe nka chairman wa Katerera PDM Sako
Ntebi biyo misha Moses ihayobururu buna muterenga tumushabe Servano ihayobururu kinana na mukaga Chwa chimesa ngunindangira tumushabe Servano kuyarabo nka chairman wa Muyenga Katerera PDM Sako
hwerane kuhereza abantu baketungura utari kumwiha emitwaro 2 okamuhereza emitwaro 9 rero bakiza bakamushaba miliyoni 1 nani shaba chairman wakachikwa niwe ukara noza katera hansi ninga kakutera hansi mbwe noza kugumana obuririza niwo noburikiza kureba ha hariho komite kushaba abantu ki sente mukorera makaganyu mukorese sentezi zire kizabayamba mukorese sentezi mwimproving ahantasya yeka yanyu mukorese sentezi ezra kuretera businje niwoke yagarura mwihanga ryawo
kandi hati naza kusaba aba extension workers baza kuzo mucyo traininga bakuza kuzitunga so tokatunga sente za parish development model right now wotarabiro bakweta practical training center ninga kuriya bakutendekerwa aba extension workers aba hinjisa aba veterinary nabandi byo binyanza ahiba kubasomeseza
abantu bagirango behire yo kushomesa y'abantu okureba ngo bakoresa sente za PDM gasha kwa Sandeke William na Onesmus nabo
abeji abamashomera gasiniya hago mucange cya Bushenyi bahijirwe okutomutuma ahakurindo pangwa bwenzi habukishirize cyandiko cya Pope Francis arukushaba abantu abarukuteme bebera okurekeraho ahabwa kabi akariyon keja
abeji b'amashomero ga senior omucanga cya Bushenyi bashabirwe okwikereza ecyahandikire papa ekiri kushaba hiburi omwe okwejumba omukurinda ebyo bahangwa bwensi ebinebindi bigambirirwe Al Bishop Oges High School Bushenyi amashomero 13 getabira omumpaka zitari zimwe na zimwe estebekanisiwe Mbarara Archdiocese.
Here to help us conserve the environment. You look at everywhere where you may be. Maybe look at the compound where you are. Green and green and green. As it is supposed to be.
Environment. So we do have to make a contribution so that our great grandchildren will find the world a comfortable home.
Pope Francis looked at it and said, no, it's high time I help these my people here to understand our relationship.
Empaka ezi habe harimu okugamba orujungu aba St. Cecilia Girls Senior Secondary School nibo basinjire debate yasingwa aba St. Charles Rwanga Kitabi poem yasingwa aba Bishop Oz High School Bushenyi.
To participate in a speech in the appointment. No, it's a message that we need to take to our schools, but not only schools, even home.
omugantu agarika omurembo rwambarara abeji abarukushomana munonga amashuma gakwata n'eby'umukono bashabwa okongera kumanya ekibarukwenda omuseegi okushoma okuhindukire obunubwire cyabasika omweji kushoma obwarukora akasente ebi n'ebindi babigambira abeji bambarara Achievers Professional College nkomuringo gumwe gukongera kubateekateeka ekibesire career guidance
obukuru n'obututura bwenu mwino okwadeyaringa ebyabe barikubagambira
ente kikwite ndeba n'ekintu ekimwe ebintu bibiri neeyita omuzengyero n'omusiasiano egaruka eyita omurru besengyereza tiine kinagambire ogwo omusiasiano yes
iwe oba bakwimutya kuza mupurepu okamweshereka hansi y'ekitanda at the end of the day Mr. Godwin tarakora ki
ebiganiro nk'ebi nibizira ombwire ahi enshomesa eriyo niyonja kuhinduka okutancarengo rwa primary secondary nangwa na hati omumatendekero na university
nka scripture union yitu twayikoraho mu mahango nk'eri izoba twabagurre twakolectinga sente ziri kwingana miliyoni emwe yo kugura keyboard certificate nabasa kusoma aza degree Oria diploma nabasa kumzama za degree asome masters Oria certificate ya accounting and finance nabasa kumzamu nafuko muntu wamani omwana ria certificate nabasa kuhinduka mu engineer orango omwana nabasa kumzamu asome degree y'ebyobulamuzi omwana nabasa kumzamu asome degree ya engineering
okushoma kuruhati no kurebango omweji yayitancha omurimo omwanya gokushoma ngwakoze abwa TV West ni Senyamo Gideon na Ben Mohoz
webare abashaki bitu bamakuru ahandi reka tumereho twinaganda makuru ntugaruka
tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohure matwenje aha mumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo chituzi drink echirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Fellow Ugandans, your parish development model SACCO belongs to you. Across the country, new elections for PDM SACCO boards are taking place to ensure transparency, accountability, and proper management of community funds. Did you know every eligible member of the parish above 18 years of age has the right to participate in choosing trustworthy leaders for their SACCO? The old boards are being replaced to strengthen governance, protect public resources, and improve service delivery to beneficiaries. After the elections, SACCOs will conduct statutory audits, hold annual general meetings, and account to members on how PDM funds are being utilized. This is your opportunity to shape the future of your community. Please go and register with your SACCO. Do not stay behind. Participate in the elections. Demand accountability. Support transparency. Together, we can build stronger PDM SACCOs and transform households into the money economy. For more information, contact your parish chief, district commercial officer, or local government leaders. This message is brought to you by the Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Local Government and the PDM Secretariat.
Chakabozi multivitamin drink chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amani masyo mubashija hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo migasho kwata akabozi multivitamin drink otuntumure cyubaro na stress eco kunywa cyakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruho mbipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarket hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya birukiraho 0702 15 91 0M
amahoro kurukagomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omucayi kace kambarara ufitandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura bitano ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kureba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kureba nyamishwa nazo ni 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja batunyi n'abarisa abari kora byo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babunga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinsa y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju ibiri anana mukaga kinana na mukaga
Bashesha Tyson mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweri ya mugirete Mwiji kwata muze kase tuyiroko mukagwata gara nuko akajiba kwata Robert aza kututwara ugiteka yo munanko Yesu Biji kana nimwe mune yo kubaga hati MTN resera kazanano baketa ko kuko liko kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugo mukasese hagati ya saye mwena sayibiri ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe then yo MTN ne kwereza minatsi ezabuse zinde zo koze sizo baryona
gurende chika rwagati ya shahe mwena shahibiri zakasheshe rero tungende chikisha tuzabusha ezo kutera ba MTN izo baryona nyegasta emwe noti star ibiri emwe hash rero tungende chika zawe zabusha buri zoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN
nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni.
Yakweha utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanyo mpenkoni nushumura kushemererwa ohuriro bunuzi na nobusinge nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire Joshua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute abari kushango murimbo mbarra nibamanyisa abantu mwena ngo kushaba imyanya ahabo bwegese bubushaho aharengurwa diploma na certificate nikugendo misho ahabo July intake course za certificate nezi eyo buzarisa jete midwifery eyo nurse jete nursing eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory techniques okushoma courses notikwa kuba oshire chemistry biology physics okubara norungereza rero nibashomesa na diploma zezi clinical medicine and community health emyaka 3 eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory technology emyaka 3 okweyongera ahabunasi ninga buzarisa jete nursing o midwifery extension o mahagomene chweka leto kushaba kwawe ahishomero Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute kandi kumegukiraho teresmez Airtel not even not note mwenda 23 ina mukaga munana na MTN not 3 emwe mwenda ina 3 emwe Mayanja Memorial Training Institute, empowering to serve.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
This June, step into a bigger entertainment experience with more to love on Us. We're talking more drama, more action, more unforgettable stories, all waiting for you. We're opening up our world of entertainment so you can view more. Okay. This June, pay for your current GoTV subscription and we'll upgrade you at no extra cost.
Feathers, sanitary pads with
hamwe na ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zija hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapa gazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro
quality pads affordable price.
Pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Kuruka yumka humre mnyeto district ya Kabare hananjira zipo kureko kushabiriza okwiyaho batanditse koremera mohe barukwiyamentasiya obo barukoze sente as government etireho kutungura byanga ezimeza youth livelihood PDM emyoga nezindi.
Eminyeto kwe hananjizirwa kukolesa projects za government okwe homboro igamuro chairman wa Kabare district ne Dennis Nzeirwe ndiyo mujenyi mukoro gukurahiza wembezi b'eminyeto aba district ya Kabare aba district youth council okukorirwa kitebe kikuri kya Kabare omuri kikohoro
ukashanga umunyetatine China na waligana yumu izo dirita yumu ya youth chairperson ya youth leader, that one will not help you. Echa kuyamba nechwa growa ukachinjinga go and do something at your village that will give you a name.
Oguyashobora kwatari kwenda kureba omwembezi w'omunyeto ninga shemnyeto arukurura obworo kandi obo barukubasa kukora baketungura.
The facilitation I was asking my chairperson
when you are talking, and I asked him how much they pay them when they come for councils. And I was very shocked that this young person comes from Butana, comes here for a holiday, and is given 50,000 as an allowance, and he goes back. Well, this is an embarrassment.
yashabe bembeza abahona kuba bembeza batari kurebera umusente ecyagize ngo nikibasa kubarugiramu obutatunguka we RDC wakabare yashabe bembeza beminyeto aba okwatanasiza hamwe okwehayo abwentunguka yakabare.
True leadership is not about wielding power. It's about empowering those who gave you their trust. Today marks a profound milestone. You are not just taking an oath of office, you are accepting a solemn promise to serve our community with dedication, integrity, and passion.
Yamba kwaza emirimo y'eminyeto nikace munonga kandi district aroko revenue era collecting ekabire era supporting eminyeto ninga shagira ebicweka bice agezo sete zerashoroza eziya aho bwembezi bw'eminyeto kujya gukora imirimo yabo konka itwe mu myaka itane itwa tugekire twabasize kubona arya ku kasete kandi cyatuma supervision ninga shikurambura groups z'eminyeto nayo ziri gukora byagira ngo kubyasuteganisamo
abembezana na batano bo bukiko bw'eminyeto mu district ya Kabare bo barahizibwa abantu bebembera amagomboro 15 muri Kabare kandi umukoro gukora hiza bembeza aba gukurirwa muramuzi w'idara ryo kubanza omukoti ya rubanda omanyirwe nkarukundo Isaac amakuraga gashakwa Nelson ayimbisibwe
Webere Nelson ahimsibwe aba Rotary Club of Kabarore batongwize hururu ejenderire kurwanisa butandu hombavuji ba boda boda homorembo Fort Portal.
Ehuru yo kurwanisa za butandu za ba boda boda manyurenka rider improvement for decent employment project kandi neza kumara amezi 12 ubwamane rugataha kwereza ba boda boda kugo kuba kubasakoresa kwe kuma mukurwanisa za butandu okubahereze visual ningash protective gear hamwe no kuba kubasa kuvuga za boda boda zabo no junanzwa hatariho kuretaho za butandu
twenda aba boda boda abatumanya ngo nibobenye mtauni yetu ni Fort Portal basobole kuvuga pikipiki bazoire ebye kubayamba kurora ngo tibatunga butandwa no baratunga butandwa tiba affected muno tibahutara muno
ehureje tongozi bwizo baryanyumwe baziyo babire no batekaho president wabo Musya Doreen Kacho aha mukoro gubiro mu Rembo Fort Portal okurigera harakacho abavuji ba boda boda no bacirizeyo kugumuriza butando mu ihanga ryona kandi ubwe barukweka abantu burizoba
so twenda nka Rotary joining na police na community twatwakesha butandwa kandi sangire ngo aba boda boda no bacyasingire kutungo twanda bwingi no bogenda buhinga inamba ya boda boda abaturire butandwa niyo nyingi so nicyo twakamire mu project yewe
ahansi yehureji abantu bija kutunga za reflector jackets hamwe na za helmet kandi bagaruke basije za zebra crossing zone z'urukushangwa mu Rembo Fort Portal
ubuju kurambere bekara omusana gutabatero bagabalizi ba customer no kuranga zebra crossing twazikora kurungi no kubegesa ekore nunge yokozisol kubuju
abahona nibazagaruka babuziye n'injiro mu bantu baburijo okuba kubasa kwehara mu za butandu kacagiro mbigire bya Dr. Richard Obech otwira president kumara umwaka.
I must also say that we are so proud that as a club we have to raise money, contribute to the Rotary Foundation. Over $5,000, that is both in annual fund and body blocks. And I want to thank you so much, our friends, for the support.
Amakuraga gashakwa Jonan Singwire.
Omakuru agebye msano timu ya churuhure yompira gwebjere erujire nyuma ho kugwa chikazine yibanda na gore mwahandi yujroho mzano gwempakeza Ankole Cup. Omzano gu guzanirwa hacha St. George's hometown yibanda.
omuzano ogubire guryo gwa gahunda beho aho barutime birene itago businguzi okwebembera group ya kabiri ibandano baba bandize kuteba omushweka cyo kubanza barukurabira omuzana Ashraf Mugume bwanyuma kiruhura nabo barugenyuma kuteba goro yo kwinganisa omushweka cya kabiri barukwerwa omuzana Innocent Atwaire nuko muzano kwa gore mwahandijo Grupe J ya kabiri tine timu yone yasingire muzano gona aho mizane zanirwe ehenderiro mu kugwa makazi kandi timu ya Cyuruhura ni yebembire no bonero bushatu erkwinganisa nibanda habonero bushatu rero kazo ezishembire no bonero bibero bwonka
namazima twasinga nabato basinga konka abaho enkora nunji kurangu bagwa drezobe abana bibashira bazana kurunji iyi namazima nibanda yazana ku moto twasinga mane cyangwa twabatera gore mari yemwe kandi wabo nini twazana kurunji nitagataga ngo umuzana wo misho charwini ibande kayizire Cyuruhura twa drawinga 00 twata ya iribanda bagarka twateba goal tuyayo point emwe konka twateba ibarkweta away goal kokuteba goal tayayire kimanyisa nguno boyebembere wabandi ati group yitu ibanda kazo Cyuruhura ati Cyuruhura ni area ahamutwe so chances zo qualifying kuza ahandi ni nyingi munonga nyenda kusima abana ba Cyuruhura bazanaje wahaguyemo hariyemwe kandi twatubatayiso mu kisayicyite cya Kagongo kibanda konka abana bito bazanaje koreke cyarema no kugira ngo twayihayo ubwo bushatu obutwandi kwenda konka tuna masiko ntiza qualifying apa tino mpira tukiza kuzana na kazo
Webarehiwe weno wareba makuru agacenshire wanagakusiyona abantu babazi Charity nyenda kwendeza aho kurara kurunji hagano ejo gategereza anyensha karesha mshanjusi hango mbwihangwe na shayibiri zo mwebazyo mu makuru agacenshire orare kurunji
Eshaha zabisha tuzechiro na use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumano kozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba ryona ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karunji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina
Bereba ne kukibaho
oyinembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe ne kolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
ito tunyobogo kandi nyonka bagambira hori ndeba abarubirizi bahape garubere mbajya ngwewe kwese embogo ntime kumuraheze mutumaheza kadeti abahe mtwari 10 anyaniza kubahereza box ya yembo kantu bukozere hona lebo kadeti wewe nabani nyenda tugende mkambero kweri ai mbacha banche tanto muri nyankore technology jeroho abantu kubari cyo necyo raze kora nimba ndeba abantu bakombeka enguto abantu zebra crossing tizuru zebra crossing mutendeke kuzicendeza hatukora beno yombe ko oruguto rukuraba cyazanga mbirizi naci wahura oruguto rurabye higuru abantu bikirize baraba hansi ningarura bahansi deno yombeka higuru wanyitegereza flyover na so that abantu ukora no baza koreza contract y'oruguto omanye enguto nizakura bazito mutawuni koko mareka kuturetere enguto za obote 1 oryono raba hagati y'etawuni deno emotoka no ende motoka zirabe muziryo mkenge ziyo zitera humps emotoka kara iko mtawuni rabe mutsikeke rabe mwigana kinana yu ahamutwe egumzimu abantu bagumahansi nibakore byabo akwenda kupikinga abantu ahansi amutawuni ejo we habaru horuguto rundo rukumurabya hansi bateze zikuraba ho direct otakaza kustero house allow vehicles to go wahura nichomba niemboza imaba ya Ministry of Works tumutambara itoka tujire Dubai recently tukarebe nguto kusukora katulya ntugamba mwana tinyewe ebinde bire Dubai ni ndio nyumbeje sa government am I the first person to go to Dubai Bridget Tagana nashe ati nyondi je Dubai na yeje imaba batanu batambura mureba yuki wahura why should kujangu emotoka nerabo mutawuni ngurero ezo muhampusi abantu bariomba za kisoro baricyazanga abakazo burega mbwenda gutukateke bariyo muhampusi na uhibuza ni hangaje kumura ikicyazanga cy'abakuza ryantonde Masaka ecu enguto stemba higuru emotoka zijende now ababa taxi borguto rwabo rabahaza when you think it is as simple as that, it is not even very expensive. What are you talking about? Now which abakore nguto abakore ntindo mumanye hitwaika stage hitwaika in terms of technology IT wanyetegereza na which murebeke ngo tureke gukora reverse tureke no shange town emotoka nzirabamu tuzikwemereramu kandi zirabamu speed nyingi egari yomwika neyija erabamu hagati y'etawuni eyemerera hargamu nk'abantu bishatu somewhere dini bashuma bakonectinga n'abandi abakwenda kutemba egari yomwika batemba no wakati noreba ebintu byona n'umwenda byona birabe mbarara birabe bushenya hagati owa boda ya hagati y'etawuni wa taxi ya hagati y'etawuni hariho yibye gitukutuku ejeje ikoze kutwara amandazi eso nazo siryoma manyazo next year niyo wile bwana numuza kurango nyo ntwiri naje aza kutura Dubai akonyo niyo tibuza kusibani ngo nabo no mu sekina nukwe kubera iwe no bere boza
okumbereba yaba ni ku kibugo
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe ne kolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje